Hello, my students. Today is Monday, 27th July 2020. Topic, My Town. Performance, describe places and location. Okay, please you copy that in your notebook. And then open your book, page 40, please. We start to read and describe it on the map, okay? You read and follow me. My town. I live in a small town. It's very small, no it's big, no it's a city, okay? Mi pueblo, it's not a city, it's a town. Every morning, I walk to school with my mom, with her mother. Go to school. On the way to school, this is the way. This is the way. One way, other way, way. Okay, this is the way. On the way to school, look the school. On the way to school, we pass some store. This is a house and this is a store, okay? Then we pass some stores. There is a bakery. Okay, let's go here. No, bakery. We pass on the way. Bakery. Look the bakery. A drug store. Drug store. Drug store. And candy, delicious. And candy store. Candy store. There is a church on the corner. Look. What is this game football? It's a corner. Corner. On the corner. My school is around the corner and down the street. Down the street. It's opposite the park. Look, the park, this is the park, and this is the opposite. That's where we play after school. When finish the school, the students, the boys and girls, come here and play, okay, after the school. Okay, I need that you please, with your pencil, draw the way to school. Okay. D. Mark the symptoms come by on the way to school. Here. Mark the things Tom come by on the way to school. ¿Qué cosas él puede comprar yendo hacia el colegio? Vámonos, devolvámonos y empecemos. Candies. Yes, candy because this is candy store. Yes, Mark. A donut. Yes, because it's in the bakery. Delicious. And Jojo. No, probably no, because no. And toothbrush. Yes, in the drugstore you can't buy a toothbrush. Okay, please mark this activity. Okay, this is the activity for today, my students. Goodbye. See you.